This is for you.
What? Really?
Now Mario and the Misfits, Bulgaria's Got Talent 2025.
2025.
Money, thank you so much.
Обичам те много.
Обичам.
This is for you.
I want to say to be more organized, but she already is so organized and organizes me also.
But now Mario and the Misfits. Oh, it's so cute. Wow. With my name.
Моя барабанист от Мездра.
Много ти благодаря, Мани. Това е много голяма емоция, че сме тук всички заедно и че се забавляваме. И дори да има някакви трудности, ние пак се забавляваме и пак е готино и съм много щастлив от тази цялата работа.
I want to say a big thank you to the Pen Shop for making such personalized gifts for my team, and thanks to them we'll be starting the year a lot more ahead than most people.